Planning a 70-mile trip on open water, 30 miles to island with fuel dock, 40 miles to destination with fuel dock. 2021 RXP, RXT, 1 to 2 foot chop. Suggestions to plan for fuel. You'll be fine. To be honest, you could go 60 miles an hour and you'll be okay. 50 to 60 miles an hour, you'll be all right. Sea-Doo comes into the boost around 45 miles an hour. You're spooling, but it's really not generating any positive atmosphere. So, I mean, anything really remarkable regarding positive atmosphere. So you're not getting into the boost until around 45 miles an hour. 45, 50, you start spooling up. It starts creating positive atmosphere or boost. The injectors start to meet that extra air, and that's when you start getting into your gnarly fuel consumption. But 45 miles an hour to 45, 50, 55, you'll be gravy. Honestly. 45 to 55, gravy. You hit some glass, you hit some smooth spots, get on the gas, have some fun. But you're going to tell me that your longest stretch is 40 miles? You'll be fine, dude. You could pin the damn thing and do 40 miles. You could be pinned. I mean, wide open pinned. I think you'll be fine. Guys do it all the time. Racers do it all the time. It's an 18-gallon tank. Well, it's a 21. No, yeah, 21. 21 will do it. Yeah, 21 has an 18.5-gallon tank. Pin it. Brian, pin it. Don't be a bitch. Pin it. I'm kidding. But thank you for the super chat. No. Yeah, you can totally pin it. Go wide open. You'll be fine. 65, 70. You'll be fine. Hang on. Show your buddies. Get some good GoPro footage. But yeah. You can totally... Dude, 40 miles? 40 miles? Pin it. You'll be fine. Top that thing off as best you can and squeeze the hell out of it. White knuckle it. Scare your buddy. Dude, 70 miles wide open throttle? Totally do it. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.